how to set Spotlight privacy on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Okay, you can see below. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Siri and Spotlight. In Siri and Spotlight, scroll down and you can see below the Spotlight privacy button here. Okay, you can click this and the pop-up are show. Now you can set the Spotlight privacy. So privacy prevent Spotlight from searching this location. To add the location, okay, you'll have to do is click the plus sign button here, and for example I add the public. Okay, select the public and click the choose button. And another one, I add the Dropbox and click the choose button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully added. So if you want to remove this, you'll have to do is select the added location. So for example, I select the public and click the negative to remove the selected item from list. And that's it. And also you can click the about share suggestion, search and privacy here. And okay, you can read this to see how your data is managed. And after that, click OK. And after you set the Spotlight privacy, okay, click the done button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set Spotlight privacy on MacBook Air.